Hi everybody, welcome back. I am creating this video for women who went through a miscarriage or miscarriages. I went through more than one. And I really want you to know that no matter how devastating experience it is for anybody, and I don't wish anybody could suffer a miscarriage, I really want you to see there's actually a positive side. There's a positive way of looking at it. So no matter how hard it is, I want you to see it in a brighter light. And I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you can look at it in a brighter light. First of all, you have proven you're fertile. So there's hundreds and thousands of women who've been trying to get pregnant and they just can't. And that's not you, because you got pregnant. So it's a good thing, it's a positive thing. You can do it again. No matter how hard it is, it was a bad experience, think about it that you can still do it because you're fertile. You've proven it, you can do it again. Second reason, when you look at statistics, women who suffered through miscarriages or a miscarriage, they get pregnant easier or faster. So when you look in the bigger picture, there's more women who had this devastating experience, but then they get pregnant quicker. Some doctors may suggest waiting 3 to 6 months, but some doctors suggest going or trying for another baby right away. Don't wait too long. Just because your body is already ready, right? Like you had this pregnancy, you were pregnant, so your hormones are there. If you really have to wait because of your emotional state, wait a month. I don't think it should take you longer than a month or 2, and just keep trying for another baby. I honestly believe in this theory because after my second miscarriage, I got pregnant with my son right away the next month. And with this one, I got pregnant right away after I had D&C. If this is you, don't wait too long. Take some time off, do whatever you need to do emotionally, I understand, but don't wait too long, okay? Just get busy right away because you have your chance. Stay optimistic, stay positive, and you're just gonna get there. Third reason to see a miscarriage in a positive light is the fact that your body naturally rejected the baby. It's hard, it is really hard and it's tough. But think about it, you didn't make this decision. Your body made the decision for you. It must have been something wrong with the baby or development or something wrong with your body. Ultimately, the goal of pregnancy and every single mom is to have a healthy, happy baby, right? We all strive for this and we all want it in the long run. So maybe there was not something okay with your body, or maybe your body wants to let you know, for example, that you have some medical condition that you need to address before you have this baby, or maybe if it's a hormonal level that you need to address with your doctor and fix it before your next pregnancies. So think about it that way. We never really think about it. When we try to get pregnant, we want to have a healthy baby, but we don't really think about the outcome. Or the only outcome we think about is just happy, healthy baby, the one that we actually dream about, right? Think about it, and think about it in a positive way. Like your body made the decision for you for a reason. My 4th reason why you should see miscarriages in a brighter light is actually for women who went through surgical miscarriages like D&C. That procedure puts you right on schedule. You start ovulating right away. It may not be an issue for women who naturally miscarried. You don't know exactly when your body will get back on track. It may take a week, like either way, week here, week there. You can get an ovulation predictor test and then just try to see when, like how your ovulation cycle will go. I may have another video because I don't really have a good experience with that, so watch out for that video, check the links below. But anyway, so it may take you a little bit longer to find out what your cycle is when you start ovulating. But if you have a D&C, you're right there, you're right on track. So you can keep trying for another baby because you're gonna ovulate right on time. These were my 4 reasons why you should stay optimistic and stay positive. Just keep trying. I kind of mentioned that in my previous videos about miscarriages, but I really wanted to specifically address this and give you some, just bring your spirits up and just let you know that it can happen to you. Just don't give up, stay positive, and really, really believe that it may happen to you. It is hard right now, but it's just gonna get better. You have to believe that it's gonna get better, okay? No matter how devastating and awful experience it is for you, there must be some good in it. So thank you guys for watching. Watch my other videos and just keep trying, and the best of luck to you.